everyone, big warm fabulous welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really good. So today we are going to be talking about skincare, and I have got the most amazing product to share with you, and I really take pride in only sharing with you skincare products that I truly believe in. You guys might know that I've been on such a journey with my skin that I would never recommend you a product that I don't trust myself. I had really bad acne at the start of this YouTube channel. You'll also notice that my wrinkles were a lot worse at the beginning of this YouTube channel. The videos are there, go have a look. So I've been trying out this product that I'm about to show you for approximately a month now, and I have noticed the difference so much. So one of my main concerns about my skin was fine lines and wrinkles. I also had dark spots appearing on my skin. I'll show you a little before picture so you know what I mean when I say dark spots. So I'm going to share with you a product that I actually think is ingenious. It's a product by Deminuage, and it's called the NanoPen. It's this little beauty right here. So many of you may have heard of microneedling. It's been around for a while. You have to go to a salon to do it, but Deminuage have brought out a NanoPen that allows you to get the same effect at home in the comfort of your own home on a daily basis, which is absolutely ingenious. So a few reasons why I love this pen so much. It treats fine lines and wrinkles. It targets hyperpigmentation, which I suffer from. You're going to get really close up and personal with my skin in a minute. We're going to delve in and go zoom in so you'll be able to see the skin issues that I have and how it's helped. I haven't shied away from showing you the before and after pictures. Literally, you'll be able to see my pores. It treats acne and it helps moisturize the skin. I'll go into a little bit more why and how it does this in a bit. It brightens and evens skin tone, and my favorite, it reduces blemishes and hyperpigmentation. So I'm sitting here now after having used the product for a while, and I have to tell you, first up, my skin issues were after having severe acne. I had very uneven skin tone around my chin, a lot of dimples. It was just very uneven. It wasn't the same smoothness as the rest of my skin. I had dark spots. I had one here, a big one here, and one here. You'll be able to see that up close and personal in a minute. A dark spot is like it looks like a giant freckle basically, and you get them as you get older and you've been in the sun a lot. Even though I do wear SPF, it's just something that some people get more. And I have fine lines around my eyes. I'm 32 years old, so it's inevitable. I also don't think we should shy away from fine lines and wrinkles. They're a part of life and we're all gonna get them. I know a lot of my friends feel really insecure about their wrinkles, and I'm just like, we can do stuff to slow it down, but don't be afraid of aging, because you're really lucky if you get to age, because there's some people that don't. So I never see wrinkles as a bad thing. They're a sign that you've lived. So this is just a way of slowing the process down and feeling young and fresh. So the Deminuage NanoPen is first of its kind technology, and it allows you to get a microneedling solution at home with zero downtime. So if you're unaware, when you get microneedling or anything in a salon, you usually need a downtime or your skin recovers. This is, you can use it and then your skin is fine afterwards. There is zero downtime. It's portable, so you can whack it in your overnight bag. It just, when I've noticed using this, it just makes my moisturizer is absorbed into my skin more, so I just feel so much more fresher and skin more dewy. Just the overall appearance of my skin has just brightened completely. So let me tell you a little bit about the pen before we get into the gritty detail of my skin up close and personal. So I actually have two pens. This is the normal NanoChip pen, and we have the Lux edition here. So this is battery operated, and you need just an AA battery to use this one. So this is the Lux version, which you can plug in and charge, and it has 3 settings. It has low, medium and high intensity. So the more your skin gets used to the NanoChip pen, you can whack up the high intensity. I am on the high intensity at the moment, and I have to say afterwards I feel so fresh. So my skin just feels so much more vibrant. You'll be able to see the difference once I show you the daily vlogging of my skin. So they come with little nano chip cartridges like this, which you screw into the top of your nano chip pen, and they have tiny needles in, as tiny as smaller than a hair. So small, which doesn't cause any bleeding or any irritation to the skin whatsoever. So there are two different types of nano chips. There's the daily ones, and then you have two booster ones which are meant to be used twice weekly. So you have 5 of these and 2 of these a week. And then Deminuage do their own brightening serum as well, but we'll go into more detail about that when I show you the daily vlog of my skincare. So now that I've shared with you a little overview of the nano chip pen, I'm going to show you a daily vlog of me using it so you can really see the difference of how it has changed my skin. Okay, so this is day 1 of me using the Deminuage Nano Chip pen. So I'm going to unbox it and show you just the process of the beginning of what I'm hoping to be is a really big skin journey. So if you guys have been here for a while, you'll know that my skin journey has been epic. I used to have really bad skin, and I used to use makeup as a security blanket, but over the years I've worked so hard to get my skin to the stage it is at. So I'm hoping if I share with you the things that I do now, you can really trust me when I recommend a product, because honestly I don't put anything on my face that I don't believe in or feel safe using. So I'm going to start off with the normal pen and add a daily nano chip to the head. So it comes in a box like this in a little packet. So you only use them once as to keep it really clean. And then just screw it into the top, and then I'm going to put on this serum. So I'm just going to open the box, and then it comes in a tray like this. So I'm going to tap one out. So I'm going to open it by twisting the top, and then I'm going to put the top of the white rubber head on and pull it down so it's secure. And now all you have to do is tap it onto your skin, all over the skin like so. I'm just gonna rub that in slightly so it's covering most of my face, without even onto the neck, without actually touching the eye area, just around. So I'm going to turn the pen on and let's go. I wanted to add that it does not hurt in the slightest. It's actually quite a nice feeling. It's really soft, like a gentle vibration on your skin. My problem areas I really want to see make a difference is around my chin, obviously, was where my really bad acne was. So I have a lot of scarring, a lot of indentation, and I want to see if, I've heard that needling will help with that. So I want to see if I can see the difference over the week or the course that I do this. So I'm really going to concentrate around my chin area to try and solve that. So it's left my face a little bit red, nothing too major, it will settle in a matter of minutes, but actually feels like it's brought loads of blood to the surface, so it's made my skin feel really awake. I don't know how it looks, let me have a look. Yeah, it makes my skin feel like it's alive again. So that's the first day, so I will tune back in with you tomorrow and we can see the process. Okay, so day 2 of using the Deminuage Nano Chip Pen. I'm going to unscrew the top and change the cartridge and pop in another daily booster. I'm just going to pop on another serum, pop the cap on. I have to say, after yesterday, my skin felt really good. I could just feel that there was lots of energy in my skin, if that makes sense. It felt like it was glowing, it was not dead looking, if that makes sense. It brought all the blood to the surface, and it felt fresh, it felt young, it felt really even. So I'm so looking forward to seeing the effects of this after a week of doing it. So again, I'm just going to tap that all over the skin, rub it in, and then let's go. Okay, so second day I have just done that, so I'm just going to show you up close and personal the difference in my skin. Okay, day 3, I have just got out of the shower and I'm going to go in with another serum again. The biggest difference that I've noticed is that the texture on my chin has got so much better, and that was one of the biggest flaws of my skin, let's say. So so that's good. So I'm excited to see what it's going to be like after all this time. So I'm just popping the top on the serum. So today I'm actually going to go in with a booster nano chip. So I think it's more of an intense microneedling. So I'm just going to take yesterday's off the top. So I'm just going to unscrew the last one, dispose of it, and pop the new one on. And that's ready to go. So I'm going to pop the serum on again. You're getting the hang of this now. Let's go. Time to get up close and personal again. We are going in for today 3. Okay, so this is day 4 of me using the nano chip pen. And I have to say, I've noticed a big difference in the texture, especially around my chin area. The first few days, a lot of whiteheads, like tiny whiteheads came up. And then it's kind of settled into like a really smooth area, which I have not had or achieved since before my acne. So I do really think it's really changing the texture for the better of my skin around my chin, so hopefully it will get rid of the scarring. So yeah, let's go for day 4. I think we're on. Gonna get rid of the boost chip. I'm gonna pop in a normal daily nano chip, open the serum, and also I don't know if you can see the dark spot which I had here in particular is almost fading into the same colour as my skin now, so it's really changed that. This was the worst one, so that's got a little way to go, but the one here has definitely faded dramatically, I think. Okay, day 4, let's go. Also, whilst you're doing this, it's really good to put like a podcast on in the background or an audiobook to like really help your brain be motivated whilst you're doing 2 things at once. It's good. Okay, so 4th day done, and I have to say, looking more and more, the biggest difference for me is how much this dark spot has disappeared. Like, it's barely even there anymore, which at one point it was so vivid, so I'm really impressed with that. My skin just feels really bouncy and like glowy. Sorry, there's a drill going on, but yeah, really chuffed with this. So I can't wait to do like a 7-day review for you guys, because I'm really impressed with the results so far. Yeah, I'm like a baby's bottom. Hi guys, welcome back. I think it's day 5 now. I think it's day 5. I'll put it here, you should know. The weather in London today is absolutely glorious. Like, I've never known it like it to be this hot in May. It's 27 degrees. It's crazy. So day 5, I wanted to talk you through how my skin has been feeling. This mark, the melasma patch that I had here, the age spot has gone down so much that I can really tell that after like a month of maybe doing this, that this won't be there anymore. So the texture on my chin has really changed. I think it's becoming more even, so, and that's just after 4 days. So I cannot wait to see, like, if I continue using this, how good my skin is actually going to be by the end of it. I feel like it's really going to change the surface of my skin. So I'm going to put on a daily nano chip again, screw it in. I'm actually going to try something a little bit different today. So I'm going to put serum on a patch and then go on with the pen. Then I'm gonna do another section. I think this way works a lot better. It gives it like maximum absorption, I think. So from now on, I'm gonna do it like this. So day 5, I think it's really clear to see that the dark spot, especially on my left cheek, has gone down so much. The skin texture around my chin is definitely evening out a lot more, and I feel like my skin just looks brighter. Also, the dark spot between my eyes is definitely fading too. Okay, it is day number 6 and I'm going to use the Lux NanoPen today. I've charged it up so it's ready to go. You can turn on the NanoPen Lux by pressing and holding down the indicator light until the NanoPen begins to vibrate. To switch speeds, quickly press down the indicator light, do not hold. So now that I've been doing it for a while, I'm going to pop it on the high intensity, but I have to say, my dark spots have gone down quite a lot. Like noticeably, like in such a short amount of time as well. So I'm going to put a booster chip on today because I have to do 2 a week. So let's put the booster chip on. Just going to pop my hair back off my face, get my serum at the ready, and let's go. Day 6. You can see the light changes colour. So blue is low, red is high, and green is medium. So let's go for high. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, you can tell the difference loads. Okay, so that's left my face feeling a little bit red, but I'm very aware that that will go down after a while. That was a lot more intense. So if you wanted a more intense treatment, definitely get the Lux pen. I feel like I'm like woken up. So that is day 6. As I said, I don't know if you can notice the dark spot here has definitely gone down, and this one has gone down as well, and I never thought that would happen. So I had a very sleepless night last night, but other than that, other than the black rings, I'm feeling like my skin texture, especially on my chin area, has got so good. Okay, day 7, let's do this. I'm going in again with another booster chip today, and then I've done my 2 a week on the high intensity setting. Okay, let's go. So guys, I hope that was interesting and you could really see the difference. I didn't want to just tell you about a pen, I wanted to really show you evidence of how it has changed my skin, so I hope that has worked. I've also done a blog post with close-up pictures so you can really see the difference. For me personally, it's really made a difference to the dark spots that I was struggling with. Like, I was always having to cover them up loads with foundation, and it's just really made, in the short amount of time, those 7 days that I filmed this, I could see the difference dramatically. So if I keep using this for months, I am a great believer that they will be gone by 6 months time. So I have been looking for something for ages to get rid of them, something that was affordable, something that was doable and not too invasive. So this was literally the most ideal product for me to combat that. It's almost as if my skin feels like it's got more elasticity in it since using this. Another great thing that I really noticed was the texture of my skin that has really come along since using this. As again, if I continue this, there is no doubt that I will see such a massive improvement in 6 months time, but already it's really started to create a much nicer even skin tone along my chin where my acne used to be. And yeah, I was just so impressed with this product that I thought you guys would really appreciate it too, because a lot of you are the same age as me, if not older, and I think as we get older we really appreciate how good skincare is so important. I've started to wear less makeup and really concentrate on making my skin dewy, brightening, and just all the things this Deminuage NanoChip pen has helped me do. So if you want to know any more details of the Deminuage NanoChip pen, I've done a whole blog post with pictures where you can really see up close my skin and how it's changed. So I will leave the product linked in the description box, and all the pricing will be on the site because I know they have a discount on at the moment. So I'll leave all that information there for you. So I do hope you found this video helpful, and if you want me to test any more products, do let me know, because I think this is a really good way to see if a product actually works for you and is right for you in video form of a diary. So let me know if there's anything else that you want me to test out in the comments below, and also if you've tried microneedling, let me know your thoughts, and if you're interested in using this pen, I'd love to know your thoughts on this kind of product. It's really great to have a conversation with you guys about it, because we can fight the signs of aging together and hopefully remain youthful for a long time on this channel. So guys, I love you and leave you. My Instagram as always is @LauraBlair. Come say hey over on there, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.